Good morning, welcome to today. I'm having a bowl of cereal, Fruity Pebbles, yes. And then I gotta edit 2 vlogs because I didn't have time yesterday. Hey. Check out this awesome picture I'm coloring with markers. I don't have to keep a dad because I
Did you get your hair cut?
The birch tree?
No, the tree with the white. The little birch tree is pretty too.
Kayla, your tulips look good.
Yeah, the other one's about to pop out.
This is not like the one I have because mine has colors on the leaves.
What? Oh, what is that? Lilies?
I don't know. I don't know if it gets flowers. To match the table.
I wanted to paint the chairs. It might be interesting. Oh, so close. Not.
No,
I was trying to be nice. Kayla like jumps every time.
probably because she seen me throw it.
Hey, there's new construction ways.
Look at our driveway, look at our driveway. It just goes down.
The mansion will be on the left.
Oh yeah, there's a mansion over.
Is this where the mansion is?
It's right there. He was totally fishing in this lake one day.
That's funny. Oh
He's got
wow.
a fish house he keeps up.
The house is huge.
He built it to perception.
Oh, now he's not taking video.
You would be able to do it easier.
No, things just go faster sometimes. I've found out. Yay. That was in his tire.
There's another one.
Oh my.
They're everywhere.
They are.
I already pulled most of them out of that wheel.
Oh really?
And I got tired of doing it, so I stopped.
Tired. Where'd they go?
Hello?
Alright, now I'm calling it a night. I had a nice chill day, just what I wanted. Yeah, so if you liked anything in this video, hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment. And if you want to see what I do tomorrow and all the other days, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.
It's not my weekend, but it's gonna be my year. And I'm so sick of watching while the minutes pass as I go nowhere. And this is my